Hi, today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making Achari Soya Chaap Tikka. This Malai Tandoori Soya Chaap makes a great starter and it's very addictive, and for those who do not eat meat, this is a really great option. The recipe is mentioned in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. So here I have taken 4 frozen soya chaps. Chaps are now at room temperature, so we need to remove the stick out first before we could fry them. These are store-bought soya chaps. You can use any soya chap, the ones which you get in the liquid or frozen too. To fry the soya chaps, I've heated sufficient oil in a pan and just adding a few at a time. We need to fry this on medium flame till they are nice and golden brown on all sides. So on medium flame we will fry them and keep flipping them till they get a nice golden color on all the sides. This will take a few minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes. This is done, we just take them out. I'll continue frying the rest of it. Frying the soya chap before marination really adds more flavor and taste to this recipe. Once the soya chaps are fried well, let's cut them into smaller pieces. You can either cut into 3 pieces or 4 pieces from each chap depending on the size. So now let's marinate these chaps. In a bowl I've just taken 3 tablespoons of curds, that is dahi. And into this I'll be adding pepper powder, haldi powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, salt and Kashmiri red chilli powder. I'll also be adding 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next into this I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of besan, that is gram flour. This is 1.5 tablespoon of achari masala powder. You can use ready-made achar masala, or you can also look into my YouTube channel for this recipe. Or you can also use fresh achar, that is mango pickle or lemon pickle. Next into this I've added 1 tablespoon of oil, and now we'll squeeze in juice of half a lemon. The achari flavor is going to come from the pickle or the achari masala powder that we have used here today. Now mix this marination well. Along with the soya chaps, I'll also be adding 1 onion and 1 capsicum that has been cubed. This is completely optional and you can always skip that. Now give this all a nice mix, and we need to marinate this, but before marination we can just give this a little smoky effect. So I'll just place a little silver foil inside it and place some burnt charcoal, and then I just pour in some ghee so that you get a nice smoke, and just cover and keep this to marinate. We'll keep this for at least half an hour so it gets a nice flavor from the smoke and it gets well marinated as well. Once this is well marinated, I'll just be using these wooden skewers. I'll soak the skewers in the water for 10 minutes. Using the wooden skewers is optional. I'll be showing you later too how you can do it without the wooden skewers as well. So I'll just screw in some onion, capsicum and the soya chaps, followed by onion and capsicum and the soya again. So I'll repeat this till the skewer is full. I'll be doing 3 of this. I'll be showing how to get this tandoori effect for these skewers. On the gas itself, there's no need of an oven. You can skip the skewers and just cook the chap directly on the pan, which I'll be showing you later with the remaining chaps here. So to get the tandoori effect on these chaps, so I just sprayed in some oil on a hot pan. I'll just place the skewer over it. You can also use a grill pan to get a nice markings on these tikkas. Now I'll cook these chaps on medium flame and keep turning them till they get a nice brown color on its sides. I'll also brush it with little butter so that it gets those burn marks. So on medium flame I'll continue flipping these and cooking them till it's cooked on all the 4 sides. Once this is done, we can take them out. If you do not want to use the wooden skewers, you can just place the pieces directly into the pan. And here too on medium flame, just keep on flipping them till they get a nice charred color on all the sides. You can also air fry the soya chaps at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. So here again I'm just brushing it with some butter. Once the soya pieces have been cooked, I'll just push it to the side of the pan. We still have to cook the remaining marinade and the onion and the capsicum. If you do it directly on the skewer, this is not required to be done. So I just put it at the side of the pan and just cook it for about a minute or so that the rawness of the masala is gone from this. So here once again I'll be just brushing it with some butter. In place of butter, you can always use oil, but butter adds a little more taste and richness to this recipe. So in this way, without an oven or a tandoor, you can make this soya chap tikkas at home too. You get the same grill char effect on these chaps as well, just like the restaurant. So these are ready, and you can have the soya chap tikkas just as it is as a starter. But since we are making this as Malai Soya Chaap Tikka, we just coating this in some cream. So in a bowl, I've just taken some fresh cream and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the fresh cream and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix them both well and then add the grilled soya chaps into it. For the entire recipe, you can adjust the spice level. As we'll be adding the cream, the spiciness of this will be a little reduced. So these are the ones which I'd grill in an air fryer. I'll be adding that as well. We need to coat the soya tikka chaps well with the cream. So I'll just be adding a little more cream as this looks a little bit less. We just need to coat the soya tikkas well with the cream so it adds a nice richness and taste to these chaps. So our Malai Achari Soya Chaap Tandoori Tikka is ready. Now let's plate this. We can serve the soya chap tikka along with some mint chutney, along with an onion salad and lemon wedges as well. I've just mixed in some curds with the mint chutney and served it. And just adding some freshly cut coriander leaves. And with this, a Malai Achari Soya Chaap Tandoori Tikka is ready. If you too are a soya chap fan, do try this recipe and I'm sure you will really like it. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such videos. I'll see you soon again. Till then, take care and bye-bye.